How to learn spoken English at home. Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn English with AI. I'm your host, Jack, and today we are diving into a very exciting and helpful topic: how to learn spoken English at home. Whether you are a beginner or someone who just wants to improve your communication skills, this episode is packed with practical tips to help you on your English learning journey. Let's get started. Segment 1: Why spoken English is important. First, let's talk about why learning spoken English is so important. English is a global language. It's used in business, travel, education, and even entertainment. Being fluent in English can boost your confidence, improve job opportunities, and help you connect with people from different cultures. So, if you're ready to take your English skills to the next level, keep listening because I've got some amazing tips for you. Segment 2: Practical tips for learning spoken English at home. Now, here are some simple but effective ways you can practice spoken English right from the comfort of your home. 1. Think in English. Start small. Try thinking about your daily routine in English. For example, instead of saying, "Mujhe khana banana hai," say, "I need to cook food." The more you train your brain to think in English, the easier it becomes to speak fluently. 2. Listen and mimic. Watch English TV shows, movies, or YouTube channels. Focus on how the actors or speakers pronounce words and use intonation. Pause and repeat after them. You're not just learning words, you are learning how to say them naturally. 3. Talk to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. For example, today I woke up early, I had breakfast, and now I'm listening to this amazing podcast. Don't worry about making mistakes, this is your private practice time. 4. Learn common phrases. Memorize phrases that you can use in daily conversations, such as, "How are you doing? Can you help me with this? I don't understand. Can you explain again?" 5. Use language apps. Apps like Duolingo, Bubble, and HelloTalk are fantastic for learning new words, grammar, and even practicing conversations with other learners. 6. Record and listen to yourself. Record your voice while speaking English. Play it back to check your pronunciation and fluency. Over time, you'll notice great improvement. 7. Practice with a partner. If possible, find a friend or family member to practice English with. You can also join online communities or language exchange groups. Segment 3: Resources from my channel. And here's something even better: on my YouTube channel, Learn English with AI, I post videos that are perfect for improving your spoken English. You'll find lessons on grammar, pronunciation, and conversational phrases. I also share tips on building confidence while speaking English. So, after this podcast, don't forget to check out Learn English with AI for more amazing content to boost your English communication skills. Segment 4: Stay consistent. Now, the most important tip of all: stay consistent. Set aside at least 15 to 30 minutes every day to practice spoken English. Learning a language takes time and effort, but trust me, the results are worth it. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. The goal is to keep improving every day. Alright, that's it for today's episode on how to learn spoken English at home. I hope these tips were helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed this podcast, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Learn English with AI, for more practical tips and lessons. Thank you for listening, and as always, keep practicing and keep learning. Until next time, bye bye.